Good evening, friends. Welcome to Alpha Technicals. If you are a new member you are watching, please subscribe to our Alpha Technicals M YouTube channel. Today, again, as discussed last time, the market behaved exactly at the same manner if you have observed. So, market Nifty is at its resistance zone of 9529. You can see from here it has come down. Second, this is the first time, second time, third time. Generally, when market tests the same resistance and support third time, it breaks. Let us see whether it will break or not. Okay, because you can see one more important thing is this dotted lines is 55-day EMA. It has just crossed above 55 EMA and it is giving a close. Tomorrow, if it cuts the high, most probably it may go up. How much it will go up, that depends upon the market, and it will face a resistance as 9879, in and around 9879. Now we will go to the other setup of Fibonacci. Here you can see this 9889.79 is an 50% retracement level. So tomorrow if this high breaks, okay, previous day close high breaks, our super trend also will become green, and then it will take a strong resistances 9857 to 9900 zone will be a strong resistance. Okay, this same zone is repeated here. Okay, the same zone is repeated here. We'll check in 1 hour candle what is happening. See here, as we discussed in the earlier video, see market came up to this level and then it has taken a resistance point. From if breaks this 9000, again it will go up to 9800. So 9870, 80, 90 range comes in Fibonacci, in day candle analysis, and also in 1 hour. So that will be a strong resistance point. Chances of market reversing is also, probability is there. See here, market touched this point. First time it came down, second time it came down, third time it is touching. Hopefully, generally when third time it touches any support and resistance, this rule applies in 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 day candle, everything. Generally it will break the support and resistance. If there is a good volume tomorrow, it should break and easily go up to 9880. Most probably by this weekend it should reach. If it fails to cross this level, it will come back to 9200 levels. You can see there is no support here. So it may not come back in a day, or it may take some 4 or 5 trading sessions or even 10 trading sessions. It should reach 9200 levels. Okay, friends. Now we'll confirm this with our options data. This is Nifty options data. We can see immediately there is a resistance. There is huge build-up, OA build-up of around 11 lakhs at 9600 call. There is a very huge build-up, 15 lakhs change at 9500 call. Then 9700 call, 9800 call, there is no build-up. As if market breaks 9600 goes up, then we may see a huge build-up here, because as per the chart 9900, 9800 and 9000, here it is 9587 range. Again here it is 9884 range. Okay, this is a resistance. If breaks this, it may touch this and it will take a strong resistance. It may reverse. Okay, most probably it will reverse, because the first time it is testing, second time it should reverse. This resistance points it is testing the third time. Probability of going up from here is more. Probability of coming from there to the bottom part is more. Probability is more. From here it may go up, from here it will take a resistance and then it may come down. Okay, how much it will come down, we don't know. All depends upon the market situation, right? That we have taken a confirmation from our options data also. Today, as this is a week is over and also month is over, we'll just have to look at what is happening with weekly candle. Okay, this is the weekly candle. 1 minute. This is weekly candle. You can see here again in week also it is it is at the strong resistance point. The yesterday's close was a strong resistance point. Hopefully if it breaks, again in week you can see 9888. There also you can see it was around 9000, sorry, 9800. Even weekly it is showing 9800 change. The range I am speaking about, it may not be very specific numbers, but in general range I am telling you, it may take a strong resistance. So from this what we conclude is market can move freely from 9500 to 800, 900 range. Once it reaches 900 range, as per the candlestick pattern and other trading methods, we can take a short position if gives a signal of short position. Okay, this is a short term trading view of Nifty. Okay, this is weekly this is a weekly chart. Okay, we will just make it little bit bigger, it's visible for you. Okay, right, this is our 21-day moving average, this magenta color. This is our, it will take a resistance at 200-day moving average, and you can see our 100-day is blue color. Fine friends, hope it is clear. As far as Nifty is concerned, we'll just have a look at, once the month is over, you should also look at the monthly candle, what it is telling. In a monthly candle you can see it has formed what you call very good rejection candle here. So this high breaks the yesterday's closing. This means yesterday means Friday closing high 9589 change is a strong resistance. If it breaks, it will go up to 9800. So hourly has confirmed, daily has confirmed, weekly has confirmed. Now monthly is also giving a clear confirmation. Okay, this is called technical analysis. You have to watch the data in multiple levels, and then multiple level confirms or multiple level gives strong resistance. That will be a strong resistance and support level. Okay friends, from today we will be adding Bank Nifty also. So we will just check what is happening in Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty both are put in the same chart. In Nifty you can see, in Nifty what has happened is it has closed upon 55 EMA, but in Bank Nifty it has not closed. This is our 55 EMA. I'll just make it bigger. See, this is our 55 EMA. Okay, this is far away, just closed above our 21-day EMA channel, 21-day EMA. So now how do we analyze this now? So this day before yesterday's high will be a strong resistance. You can see there was a rejection. Once it breaks that, it will freely move up to 20,000 change. Okay, 20,062 or 20,100 it will reach. It will take a resistance there, because for one time it has fallen, second time it has fallen, third time generally it will break. If it breaks, then we can see a resistance with 55. By the time 2 days, 3 days happens, the 55 also will come down, candle also will go up, somewhere here middle they will meet. There it may take a resistance as 55-day moving average. If it doesn't, if it crosses easily, it will definitely take a resistance at 38.2 retracement level, because it has come down. So second time it will be testing. Hopefully it breaks. Then we have to correlate with Nifty and see what is happening. Then we can take a call on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty hourly, what it says, this is hourly chart. You can see here, as this it has come here, so there will be some resistance. Okay, if it crosses this, okay, 19,456, say 19,500 it crosses, there will be a clear movement of 500 points, 500 to 600 points. See here also it is taking resistance as 20,100. So day candle also it is showing. So again this range of 20,100 to 20,500 in Bank Nifty, you can see market has tested multiple times, has come down. So this will be a strong resistance point. It may not move freely between 20,100 to 20,500. Once it breaks 20,500, it will move up to 21,900. You can see here up to 21,900 there is no big resistance. There is, we may see some resistance around 21,100. That will be a small resistance. Once it breaks, I think this movement will be a big. This movement will be big. Which one? Here. From year to year, movement will be big. Okay. This zone is a resistance zone. Okay. This zone is a small resistance. This again is a big resistance, because from here you can see market has fallen so big. Okay, this may act as a small resistance. Okay, this is hourly candle, right friends? Hope you people are able to understand. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can just message me or on the comment section. I will try to reply you as early as possible. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Okay, oh sorry, we have just left our one more analysis. Sorry, 1 minute. Bank Nifty, uh, this is our OI data of Bank Nifty. What this OI data is showing? It's showing a resistance 9500. As we discussed in the chart, here also the build up is only in 9500. In between there is no build up. Okay, once it breaks, I think it will easily touch 9500. Then the next resistance is 20,000. Okay, right? Where is the support? There is no big support. 19,000 only. There is a small support of 4,50,000. Hopefully tomorrow there may be a build up, because generally people will not carry forward, especially Bank Nifty on Fridays. Okay, they may carry on Monday, Tuesday, because there will be 2 days holidays. Generally you can see there will be slightly less carry forward on Fridays. Okay friends, hope this video is useful to you people to analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty. From today we will be adding Bank Nifty also. It will be a quick session. Okay, as it was a weekend and month end, so we have to watch the weekly candle and monthly candle also. Okay friends, thank you very much. Okay, all the best. Keep learning and learning. That is the only thing which is going to save our money, our capital, and it will help us in reducing our loss. Hopefully this week is a fantastic week for all our viewers and subscribers. Thank you for watching this video. All the best. Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.